Okay, I'm about to paint the frame. Got the dang brake boost on. But I paint that. That's really the reason I'm painting the frame. I just washed it down somewhat, so it's gonna be a terrible paint job, but just want you to remember, man, I never painted right up open. Got to stir it up. Let me get my dang brushes. Light, but as you can see, got it all painted up. Don't mind the streaks. You're not gonna see it. It's gonna see the blackness, even that. So yeah, that's all done now. It's got the up control arm bent off. Aha, bent off. Get it? So now, but I got a dent right here in the frame. That's where all the impact definitely hit. I can't tell how much it is in there, so let me get the flashlight going. But yeah, right there. And when I had it jacked up, this wheel was cambered in bad. I was stressing like a man. Don't tell me, but motherfucker straightened out, so I dropped it on the floor. Seriously, back on all fours. Look at that, don't work camber. Just little things that make me happy. Alignment's probably fucked. I'm gonna have to get aligned still, but got the damn control arms all bolted up. Should be nice and tight. New ball joint now. I can put the other side on if I want to. I definitely did not line these damn adjustment bolts up right, but you know what? No matter. I'm happy. Look at it. It can roll again. Already now with the brakes, and yeah. Back to it. Just wipe down and wash the thing. Tetanus Supreme. About to give see Tetanus Supreme right here. Down thing, but about to give me good black paint like the frame, and then just stick it on there while it's wet. So yeah. Let me dress shit real quick. Probably test fit through. One of these mounts is bent in the wrong place. I didn't know it. I watched the video. See it somewhere. Okay, so it's got this mounted on, and both brake, ABS stuff, and fuse box on the inner fender, which is now heavily leaning bad. It's about to rain, so I gotta cover that stuff up. Probably put these two masters on the lines on too, and hopefully this shit's linked, which probably will leak knowing it. And this one I gotta redo. It's hitting everybody possible. There we go. It goes to the back, which ain't nothing. I gotta tighten this sensor up. I might probably do that first because it's right here. And stuff right here to it. And like I bent it. That's what he's calling me. Got the little bumper thing and the bumper off it's just like a 95. I like the bumper thing, I got no trim on it. GMC 101. Damn. I just crashed, bruh. Got the bumper brackets in. About to put them on. And yeah, some old-fashioned manual labor is about to happen. About to see. Damn, it's cold, but so I get to it. So let me figure out which one's which. Just like so. There's gasket still. It's too cold for this shit. A lot will get the impact. So I'll see you almost like the other side on impact. We got the impact. So now we're back up. Bump back on it. After it's just like that, got the bumper on. The other truck that I got off of, you can see the bolts don't really go to the same places. Cause the other truck was was it motherfucker like a 91? I need to clean that thing, but this one with no trim on it. Or the body styling. Hold. I ain't gonna say no more. I'm gonna just show this damn thing and get my ass out the code. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Let's have my people, you know, record. It's the outro. Oh, it's a different scenery this time too. I'm at work. But I just want to say thank everybody for the support, you know. In the comments in the last video, just look at the comments. Wow. I look at the comments and everybody showing, you know, support and love, man. You're saying basically rebuild it, and which is true, because like I said, bro, most people would just scrap it and just get a new one. But me, I'm attached to that one. That's the one I wanted. I waited months for that car, and I hate to see it get scrapped, basically. And it's fixable, I'm gonna fix it. And she's just gonna teach me more. That's what I like about it. That, and what else? That. So yeah, I got more parts coming this week. This video about to be, I'm trying to drop every week, so this video is gonna be a little quick, and I don't know. It's basically, I won't put it out, but I'm putting it out because it should be smooth enough. I ain't at the video just so you know, but yeah, it should be smooth enough. I'm walking around this damn place. Well, I got sand back. Hold on, get my mic back. Basically, I'm just using this all as if like a learning lesson. I'm just using everything I do, like how I'm rebuilding it, just some learning more. And I want to paint it. I was going to get it painted, but I started thinking like, dang, I done rebuilt it. I tried painting, but I ain't too good, but basically, I'm gonna paint my damn self and learn. That's all it is. All it is learning, man. So, I'm probably fix it up, hopefully this week. Like I said, I ain't say it, but it's another Suburban coming. I might have 2 Suburbans for a little bit. Fix it up, and then I'm gonna paint it. And then we'll see what else I do. You know, I'm looking at this all as a life lesson to learn more, basically. I'm looking at the positive, not the negatives. Ain't much I can lose, so might as well keep learning from it, man. That's all I can say. Thank y'all boys for watching the video, and to wait for the content, man, you know, time. I don't know, I'm just yapping, man. Merry Christmas, everybody.